just stop, I would say hello. And maybe we could take this somewhere. 'Cause every little time that I see you now, I can't stop myself from going weak. So now when you come and you pass my way, won't you just sit here and stay for a while? And give a little time to me now, and give a little bit of yourself, and give a little something to me. Just tell me all you have known. Give a little time to me now, and give a little bit of yourself. And give a little time to my darling now, and I will sing you your songs. We'll take a fast ride in your big black car, and maybe we'll find someplace that we'll hide. We'll spend a couple nights going out on this town, and baby we'll just give ourselves away. So come and take a chance and we'll go on down. And as these days pass, we will start to see, and we will start to see who we are. And maybe we can stop this alright. And give a little time to me now, and give a little bit of yourself, something to me. Just tell me all you have known, and give a little time to me now, and give a little bit of yourself.